We meet here in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. And we invite our storyteller tonight, who's come all the way from Northumberland to tell us the story of one of his brothers. Welcome, brother.
I want to take you far away from Cornwall into a distant land, into the uplands of southern Scotland. And I want to take you to a place near Melrose. And there's a young man looking after the sheep. He's up on the fells, and as he looks after the sheep, he's a very special young man. His friends think he's a bit mad. They call him Fay. Now, can I explain Fay? In the Gaelic tradition, Fay is about being prophetic, about seeing things that aren't necessarily there, or events which haven't yet happened. And this young man is Fay. And as he helps with the sheep one night, as he enters his shelter, something extraordinary happens. There's a bright light, a very bright light. And as he sees the bright light, he remembers someone who was very special locally to them and had gone away into Northumberland. A man called Aidan. And as he remembers Aidan, he's sure Aidan has died. That moment. Of course, all his friends think he's Fay. He's a bit mad. But then, in the next couple of days, the story becomes true because the message comes that on that very night, Aidan had indeed died. Well, he went into the monastery at Melrose, our friend, and he became a monk, and he rode through the monastery, and he wanted to follow in Aidan's footsteps. So he goes along to the Northumbrian coast. A very wild coast, like Cornwall, lots of cliffs, lots of islands, and he goes to the great monastery at Lindisfarne. And there at the great monastery of Lindisfarne, he becomes a very special monk.
To thy hands, O Lord, I commend my spirit. Into thy hands, O Lord, I commend my spirit. For thou hast redeemed me, O Lord, thou God of truth. I commend my spirit.